Hello, Donna Bollinger with D1 Productions, D1P, it's up to me. And I've got a great newsletter for you to go into the weekend. It's about the power of forgiveness. So that is ultimately what starts the heart again. So our nation, of course, is maybe experiencing cardiac arrest. And us creators, we need to really maybe pump out some good art, some good messages. And Jason Mars, he pumped out a really good song in I Won't Give Up on Us. And I just want to play a little bit of it for you and tell you what the lyrics are so you can think about it for yourself, for your relationships, and for our nation and even the world. All right, so go out there and spread love. There's a lunar eclipse tonight. It comes, it's at 1:30 here on the East Coast. But I feel like I might set my alarm, get out there, take a look, say a prayer, and set an intention for believing in our message of hope and unity. All right, because we're developing leaders here at D1P. When I look in your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold. And just like them old stars, I see that you come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even when the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. I just want to read to you a line from his bridge that is so amazing. It's a little hard for me to play, so I will spare you that because I really want you to hear the words. It says, I don't want to be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our difference, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. So tune in to Jason Mars, I Won't Give Up on Us, and have a great weekend and enjoy the newsletter about forgiveness.